Yeah, good morning, everyone. So this is Rakesh Roshan here. I work as assistant professor at RGKT IIIT Basar, Telangana. Welcome you all to this session on how to incorporate mathematical expressions, in Google Forms. So here we make use of one tool called as EQUATIO. It's a Google Chrome extension. So let's get into it. So let me just get started. So let's start with a blank form. So let's get started. So yeah. So math expressions. So our aim is to incorporate the mathematical expressions, equations. It could be integrals, it could be polynomials, it could be matrices. It could be anything else. So in the Google Forms using this Chrome extension. So for that, let's get started. So let's get started. So let me go to Chrome and then say EQUATIO Chrome extension. The first hit, please consider that, and you can add it to your Chrome. If you want to explore what it does, you can see easily create mathematical equations, formulas, quizzes, etc., etc. So there are a couple of ways to do it also. We'll try to see all of that in this session. So let me add it to Chrome first of all. Okay, no problem. Add the extension. It is basically trying to ask us the access. No problem, no issues. Okay, so I guess it's already added just now. Okay, no problem. So let me see if it is added or not. Yeah, looks it's done. Okay, great. So now let me just go back to this form once again and then open it. So yeah, now can you see the change compared to the previous one? Now I can see one symbol here. I can see one symbol here. I just went back and once again opened this because the EQUATIO has to be incorporated. So now since we have activated the EQUATIO added to the Chrome, now you can see these symbols here. So it's very simple. Let me type the question something. So solve the expression, something like that. Now write down what is the expression that you are looking at. So when you click on this, now down at the bottom you can see this EQUATIO thing coming up. So you can there are a couple of things. First I'll explain about all of them, and then we'll see how do we incorporate the expression. So first is a simple equation editor. Another one is a LaTeX one. I mean, if you have a LaTeX, you can just copy paste it here. That equation would be kept here. I mean, it will be converted to the image. And then you can also have a graph. You can also write it, so it can also recognize your handwriting. You can also speak out the expression, and there are a couple of things that you can do. So let's get started. Let's try to explore all of this. So let's do with a simple math editor. So let me just say x square plus 4x plus 1. So let me just do that. So x square. So this is what I have done is x and the upper arrow mark, in the sense shift 6, we all know it, right? So and then come down, x square plus 4x plus or let us say 4. So let us say this is the expression that we are looking at. So so and then say insert math. So just say insert math. Now you need not do anything. It will insert the math and then it will show you the expression. So x square plus 4x plus 4, exactly. So solve the expression. So let me just make it a quiz. Go to settings, make it a quiz. All right, come back to your questions. Okay, so let's give the option. So I guess this is x plus 2 whole square. So x is equal to -1. X is equal to -2. This is okay. This is just for our understanding. So answer key, x is equal to -2. Done. Okay, no problem. Google Forms, probably I think we should be knowing how do we use it. Right. So let's go to the next one. So let me add one more question. So polynomials, I have shown you how to do it. And now let me add one more question. So click on this. And yeah, so if you have a LaTeX, so if you have a LaTeX, you can just come here and then you can just put the the LaTeX expression. So let me just show you. Let me take one and then show you. So for that, let me use the Code Cox LaTeX editor. Okay. So let me put let me get an expression for integral. So integral, 4. So 4x cube, let us say. So x power a. So 4x cube, something like that. Okay. So now, and then dx. So yeah, this is the expression that I want, and I want it to be in LaTeX, right? So click here, you can see LaTeX. So click on that, and then you just copy this, Control C, and come back to your Google form and your Equatio tab, and then Control V. So as you click that, you can see here it's getting reflected. So let me just remove this, and let me remove this. Now you can see. So if you want to put any limits, you can put here, else you can just leave it as it is. The equation is telling me that I have the option of putting limits. So let me put, so 0, click here, and then give 0, click here, and then give 1. Okay. And then say insert math. So don't do anything. It would by default, choose the URL, and then it would put the expression over there. So 4x cube dx, so x power 4 by 4. So answer is 1. So let me add the options. So answer is 1. Now let me add one more, 2, 4. No problem. All right. Okay. So this is how I can put the integrals also. Okay. So let me show you one more. So let once again click on this. So polynomials we are done, and integrals we are done, and then come back this and then close this. You can also write. It can also recognize your handwriting. So let us see. I'm just trying to do it with the mouse. So let me just do x square plus y square is equal to 25. See how beautifully it has recognized my handwriting. So now simply say, if you're satisfied, simply say insert math. So just that's all. You need not do anything. It would insert the math over there, and then give a question. So what is the radius of this circle? Okay, something like that. So answer is, let's say 4. Let's say 5. I mean, this we can play around. Whatever you want to put, you can put. So yeah, so the thing is, it has identified my handwriting. So handwriting recognition could be done. So you can just write your expressions, and it would automatically convert it to math, and you can incorporate that math. Let's look at one more. So speech input. So click on the speech input, and then you can start speaking. Let me just speak. Let me say something. Let me close this for that. Okay, let me start speaking now. Hello, this integral x square dx. So let me stop here. So now integral perfect. It has got it. X square. It has taken it as this. So no problem. Just put x there, and if you want, you can type in dx. So if you are satisfied, just say insert math. And as usual, it would insert that particular expression. Okay. And yeah, you can put the answers. So let me go to the next question. Yeah, let me go to the question. Let me make it a short answer. Something like that. Okay, let me go to the next question. Yeah, I'm here. So click on that. So speech is this. So you can explore this. You can just maybe I'll just show you one more. Let me just show you one more. X square plus 2x plus 2. So almost there. So, oh, I'm sorry. Let me pause this. So almost there, you can see, so except the x thing, everything else, it could take it. So I'll just say this, and so what I'll do is So no problem. Let me just do it again. X square plus 2x plus 1. I didn't pick it up. X square plus 2x plus 1. Beautiful. See, you should say it properly. That's all. Okay. So this is what I'm looking at. So let me just simply insert it. It's loading the image. So there you go. So this is using speech. Let me just show you one more. So maybe you want to solve a matrix, solve, or rather obtain the determinant, of the following matrix. So you want to incorporate a matrix. So go to this. So for that, what I'll do is I'll go to the LaTeX thing. And once again, I'll go back to the code cox because this will help me in getting a matrix. So let me just choose, any matrix. So let me just click that. So let's keep it simple. So it's asking me to write the number of rows and columns. So 2, 2, just to keep it simple. Okay. And begin end. So before this thing, you have to put ampersand, put the thing. So 2 and 4. And let me make it 1 and 1. So as you type, you can also see the matrix, and that is what you're looking at. And yeah, you can copy this. So copy this, go back to your this, and then yeah, input, LaTeX input you can give here, and you can see it comes off. I mean, so you don't require these two, just remove them. That's all, because yeah. So that's the LaTeX thing. So insert the math. So now you are trying to obtain the determinant for this matrix. So what are the matrix? So 2 minus 4 minus 2. So you can just give the option. So whatever, minus 4 minus 2. All right. So this is how we can put mathematical expressions, polynomials, integrals. So using code cox, you can also put the differentials. You can just see here, d square by dx square, d by dx. You can explore this, and yeah. So let me just preview. Let's say I'm okay with this. Let me preview the paper. So the first one, yeah, mathematical expression, polynomial, and then integral, polynomial again, integral, polynomial, and matrices. So all that, expressions, whatever you want to put, mathematical expressions, you could do that in Google Forms. So not just Google Forms, EQUATIO, using EQUATIO, you can put the mathematical expressions in Google Docs, Google Spreadsheets, and Google Forms also. Just now we have seen how do we do it in Google Forms. You can explore, as I said, you can explore this EQUATIO. That's a very beautiful tool. You can do many more things. So right now, I think from the point of view of the quiz, so I think how to incorporate math is very important. So you can just go here if you want to explore more. Just go to this, and then you explore this. So it will tell you what all could be done. So I'm sure. So whatever we have used right now, I think generally we use this. If you want to explore more, please go to the Google Chrome homepage of EQUATIO and explore what all it could do. So this is how we can incorporate the mathematical expressions in Google Forms in our quizzes, assessments, assignments using EQUATIO Chrome extension. Okay. So once again, I repeat, EQUATIO Google Chrome extension is what we have used, right? So I hope you have got to know how do we incorporate math in Google Forms. So let me stop now. So take care. Have a good day. Yeah.